Hi, this is George Katsoudas. Hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll show you a really easy way to get more traffic from search engines like Google. A couple of years ago, I realized that optimizing your sites for the search engines is very simple, but it's also boring and takes a lot of time and energy. That's why I had a WordPress plugin created that would automate the entire process. This allowed me to create more sites and rank them faster than ever before. I then shared the plugin with some of my fellow marketers, and I'm glad to say that they sent me a ton of positive feedback. They also gave me some great ideas on how to make the plugin even better. Also, Google made some changes to their algorithm, and we made sure that the plugin will take them into account. In fact, the plugin now works even better than before. Why? Because Google has devalued junk links and now pays more attention to content that is well optimized for a specific keyword. And I'm not just referring to keyword density. That's only a small part of the equation. Basically, you need to show Google that your content is relevant to the keyword you are targeting. And there are many ways of doing that without being spammy about it. So here we are. Welcome to this demo presentation of the WordPress plugin One-Click WP SEO version 4.0. I know you're busy, so let me show you how the plugin works really quickly. This is the main admin area of the plugin. Up here you can see a help link. If you click it, this window will open that explains everything in detail. Up here you can see all the SEO factors you can optimize your posts and pages for. You can select them all or unselect them or choose which ones you want to use. The plugin will add the keyword you are trying to optimize your content for in the meta title, the meta keywords, the meta description. It will make the URL of your content be yoursite.com/your keyword. It will add the term in H1, H2 and H3 tags. It will rename the first image in your content. For example, if your keyword is dog training, the first image will be renamed to dog-training.jpg or whatever the extension of the image was. It will add the keyword in the image alt tag. It will make different instances of your keyword in your content bold. It will add italics or underline it. It will add a link to the post or page itself. It will add a link to the home page. And it will also add related search terms at the bottom of the content that are taken from Bing. You can also boost the keyword density of your content by using these options here. You can select to add your keywords throughout the content between the paragraphs. You can add the keywords at the bottom of your content, or you can select not to add any keywords at all. There's also an options page. I'll show you that in a while. Down here is the mass optimization table. Here on the left, you can see all your posts. If you click each one of these links, it will take you to that specific post so that you can edit it. Next to each post, you can just add the keyword you want to optimize it for. And then you just click the optimize button. You can sort this content any way you want, by title, by post ID, by keyword, by date. You can show posts, pages, you can select how many posts or pages to show, etc. You can also set the title of the post to be the keyword. You just click the set title as keyword button and boom, there it is. You can also do that for all the posts in one go. Just click this copy titles in empty keywords fields button. You click it, boom, here they are. And you can just optimize each post and page for the keyword you want. For example, here it says how to become slim. We can make that become slim fast. Then you can just click the mass optimize button. You can see it up here or at the very bottom of your posts. Let's click it once. You can see the progress up here. Done. All your posts have now been optimized for your terms. Let's take a look at our pages as well. We click pages. There's only one page right now that is optimized for the term lose weight. Let's click on it. You can see right here on the right the one-click WP SEO widget. This widget communicates with the mass optimization table. If you change the keyword here, it's also updated in the mass optimization table. By the way, all the SEO changes that are made to the content will not be visible here in this edit content area, but they will be visible when you go to visit your post or page, or when your visitors come, or when search engines like Google visit your site. This is done on purpose so that you won't get confused when you go to edit the content later. Let's go and view page. You see that the term lose weight has been added in H1 tag up here. It's underlined, shown in italics. There's a link back to the post itself, a link back to the home page. The image itself, if we view source, will be named loseweight.jpg. You also see that the alt tag is lose weight. At the bottom of the content, you can see these related terms, how to lose water weight, fastest way to lose weight, etc., etc. And basically this is it. It's that simple to optimize your content for the search engines. By the way, if a specific SEO factor is already satisfied on the entire content, on the entire post or page, then the plugin will not optimize the content for that specific SEO factor again. This is done on purpose to avoid over-optimization penalty. Let me also show you the options screen. You can select if you want to optimize all your future posts and pages automatically for their titles. You can select which will be the default SEO factors that you will want to optimize your content for. You can select if you want any keywords to be added throughout the content. You can change the title, the meta description, and the meta keywords of your site. And this is where you add your Bing API key so that extra related terms are added on your content. This is called LSI, or latent semantic indexing. Basically, Google doesn't just want to see your page be optimized for lose weight, lose weight, lose weight. They also want to see other keywords like weight loss tips and diet and so forth. So this is a very important feature as well. There's a help link next to it that shows you how to get your free Bing API key. It just takes less than 3 minutes. Now here's what others say about one-click WP SEO. The image was ranked in the 3rd position on Google Images. It does it all with one click. I'm new to this and have dreaded SEO stuff. This plugin makes SEO easy, saves us a lot of time, so intuitive that I didn't need to read the instructions. Great support, and feel free to read all the testimonials on our website. One-click WP SEO has a 10 times your money back guarantee. Either it will make you 10 times what you invested in it within 2 months, or you pay nothing. I'm that confident in it. You can get the personal license to use one-click WP SEO on unlimited WordPress sites you own, or get the developer's license if you want to use it on client sites or sell sites that have the plugin installed. Just click the order button below and you can buy the plugin with your PayPal account or a credit card. After your order comes through, you will reach the download page that will look something like this. So, thanks for watching this video and talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.